Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn Anglo-Saxon and Medieval Literature, devices and diction together, step by step. Welcome, scholars. Anglo-Saxon poets loved a device called the kenning, a hyphenated phrase that names something in a fresh metaphorical way. The sea becomes the whale road. The sun becomes the sky candle. When you meet one in Beowulf, pause and translate it. Each kenning is a tiny poem inside the poem, and spotting them turns difficult lines into vivid pictures. Before English poetry used rhyme, it used alliteration to hold a line together. Notice how fierce flames flickered far hammers the same opening sound. That repetition gave the verse its pulse and helped poets recite long tales from memory. As you read aloud. The structure lives in the sound, so your ear will catch patterns your eye might miss. Chaucer's Canterbury Tales uses a frame narrative. The outer story is a group of pilgrims traveling together. Inside that frame, each pilgrim tells their own tale. Think of it like nested boxes. One journey contains many separate stories. This structure let Chaucer show dozens of social classes and voices, all unified by a single road trip toward Canterbury. Middle English spelling can look intimidating, but it is friendlier than it appears. Night is simply night. Courage is courage. The trick is to sound words out syllable by syllable until the modern cousin reveals itself. Don't let unfamiliar letters stop you. With a little patience, Chaucer's language becomes readable, and his sharp humor and characters come alive. Let's gather our tools. 1. Kennings are compact two-word metaphors, so translate them. 2. Alliteration repeats opening sounds and carries the rhythm. 3. The frame narrative nests many tales inside one journey. 4. When spelling looks strange, decode it by sound. Carry these 4 habits into Beowulf and Chaucer, and the earliest English literature opens right up. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.